in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, southern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, southern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Carrollton, Cartersville, Dallas, Cedartown, Buck Canyon, Ackworth, Villa Rica, Powder Springs, Bremen, Temple, Rockmart, Harley, Hiram, Tallapoosa, Bowdoin, Mount Zion, Emerson, Aragon, White, and Waco. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.